a wonderful torch, and I'm going to be heating the potassium chlorate. Right now it's in its solid state, and I'm going to be heating it to where it is a molten state, which means very, very, very hot. So we want to heat this very evenly. And once it's molten, what you'll see is that it goes from a white crystalline solid to a clear liquid. And do this really evenly. And those of you that are sitting up front, you can see that it's starting to turn clear and bubbling, but there's still some solid left, so you want to make sure and...
Whoa!
We're good. So as soon as this is just about ready, so I'm going to ask Sarah to hit the lights in just a second, and then I'm going to add the Skittles. I need you to move as soon as you hit the lights. All right, go. All right, now, a bit of chemistry. Okay.
You didn't just I was like, you didn't go into someone's office and just rip apart their house.
Just rip apart the tree. Brandon's
Alright, so what I'm going to do is I need to actually have about this space so that I can, or actually I'll do it right here. So if you guys can move that way, that would be good, because this can bounce. I want no liability issues.
Should we all have signed a consent form?
You all did.
Yeah.
Just didn't know.
For the lab.
When you signed up for the class, it was a consent form.
When you signed up for Dr. Van Dorn, you signed up.
I think we did that for the university too when we were freshmen. There's that book that we had to sign.
Oh yeah. It's a
makeup.
It's
applying
makeup.
thing.
Yeah.
Oh, that's actually, that might do something. Really weird. Making liquid nitrogen soup. Totally sticking.
It's already also mostly boiled off.
What? This one or that one?
It's nice and cool now, so it's taking a long time.
It knows its fate. It knows its fate.
All right.
How long is that battery going to take to cool down?
Yeah, let me know when that's getting close.
That battery, the lithium
Where?
right underneath the gas.
And our prep room person, Paul, he actually tried the Coke can and said it was a no-go for class.
Why?
Sorry. What happened? Well, think about...
Pressure?
Oh, it's the metal.
Well, it's primarily water, right? Think about what happens to water when exactly it expands.
Lovely frag grenade.
And yes, it's contained by metal. So where
Is he okay?
under your glove?
I know.
All right. So yes, he is fine. Let's try
It is no more.
That's what we're worried about.
orange first. All right.
It's even worse as I can
Back
imagine.
up at least. Yeah, just go over
I
there.
can imagine it was in a glass beaker. So like that exploded too.
Oh, wow.
All right. Ready? This is the orange. Oh! Wow! That's nice. Yes, it's cold. Let's try it over here then.
See Earth's magnetic.
See what happens.
Well, there it's get
Yeah,
crap
it's
on the table.
really too much junk and it's getting hot. And by hot, I mean
Normal temperature.
60 below.
There's another class coming in.
What?
Sweet. 'Cause the lights
You
get
took the
passed
surprise
forward.
out of it.
No.
Uh-oh.
It's also increasing the frequency a lot, which is interesting.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, yeah.
It looks like it's
Do you
orange.
see how much faster it's going?
And it's orange.
It's
It
orange.
is orange. I'm just afraid to put it in too far.
It is definitely
Look how
changed color.
fast that is. It's much oranger than. Look, it's not red anymore.
Whoa.
And it's
Science!
bleeding fast.
Throw it on the ground.
Yeah, will it go back to red?
Yeah, well, what it is the way these work is they have a tiny little semiconductor gap that's actually, and they determine the wavelength of the light by the width of the gap.
Getting more red.
Yeah.
And by cooling it, you shrink the semiconductor.
Can we
And
just can we just have a class where we just do stuff like this? We just liquid nitrogen experiment.
I'd be at class every day.
I know.
Is that I took? Well, that's a good Karen.
Oh, okay.
How many of these were originally working? This time it turned much more quickly. Look, it's almost
still
yellow
frosty.
now.
Well, they all work if you want to turn them all on.
Oh, really?
Do it all together.
Do it.
It's cold.
Oh, it changed blue.
Yeah.
One more time.
All right, let's
should be
see what
fun.
happens there.
They're already going really fast. I feel like I'm at a rave.
Yeah, that's what it's from.
Rave.
It was from one of those little stupid rave glow sticks, and I cut it out.
What if you put a glue stick in?
That's actually also really cool. If you take a glow stick that's out and in, the one that's in will be much less bright because the reaction happens much slower.
You know, it slows down the luminol too.
And that relates to pivot.
Afraid of that cracking noise. So the
Whatever,
green
this
one
costs
is
like
getting a little more yellow.
They should all blue shift.
So can we have a class like this where we just demonstrate and just put stuff in other stuff?
You know how many other teachers are doing this today?
No?
Or this week?
One. You.
None. So, yes, we have an awesome class because you guys, I haven't actually done anything this extensive in a long time. You guys were a great class this year.
You mean the 8 a.m., right? Because we showed
I
up.
think we're just like really
Professor Van Dorn. I was in your 8 a.m. every single day.
Oh.
See, they're very different colors than they were.
Who has epilepsy, guys? That's what I was.
I feel so scared for some reason.
You'll see.
I'm making a rocket engine. It's a rocket engine. It's a coal gas thruster.
Should we be worried?
It's filled with nitrogen. Makes sense.
It's the tank.
I think I should put this on the floor.
It'll just shoot gas. That won't hurt anyone.
I mean, it might shoot a little bit of liquid, so I wouldn't stand like up against the edge.
We'll risk it.
Wearing clothes.
I mean, YOLO, right? I mean, YOLO.
Oh, that makes sense.
That is really cool.
Should have felt that thing.
You put it in there. Is it going already?
I don't know. I still see bubbles.
Yeah, it doesn't need to be all the way full.
I should be home studying for my oral exam on Thursday.
Alright. Ready?
Good point. I already know the language. Oh no.
Okay, maybe in there won't work.
It's starting to make noise.
Oh, wow.
Oh!
That is cool. I'm gonna, now that we know what
Probably
to do,
empty.
I'm gonna, I'll put it back in and then put it on the table.
The hole in the space.
That was a terrible question.
I agree. I totally got it wrong.
Don't worry, same here.
Can we do the banana?
Can I admit I didn't
Queen's not
write
here,
it?
I can yell.
That's right. We take
She put Chinese steak on top.
You know.
Alright, this
that
is
sounds like
better
a
because
murder.
I can actually.
Let it heat up.
Oh! Oh, I felt it. It looks like it's peeing.
I didn't say that.
I felt it on the gas.
You know, I think
Just gonna let it heat up a little.
if this were on a perfectly flat
Is there gas coming out?
It's like the hole's plugged and it's just
the
pressure
hole's
building
over
up in it.
here. So no.
Oh, there you go.
There we go.
Whee!
That is neat.
That's why cryonics won't work.
Alright.
Frogs. Some
It
frogs.
looks deadly.
Some frog species.
I'm not gonna say
Well, they have enzymes.
I am gonna actually just smash it against the smack it against the table to see if anything happens.
Yeah, upstairs.
I got a banana.
You made a ping pong ball. That could have been a word.
Oh.